Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FinAssam employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fin.assam.gov.in/assamfinance/go-to-emp login. Then press enter and you will be taken into the employee login portal for FinAssam. Make sure to use the E and the L within the EMP login option on the URL section in uppercase. You will then be taken into the employee login portal. Just type in your phone number or your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the phone or email box. And then you can type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then type in the captcha code that you see within the screen and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account with FinAssam right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option underneath the captcha box to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your FinAssam employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.